All right, here we go. Check out my steering wheel. What did you do, Mike? I was missing that piece in there. I bet you didn't even notice. What didn't we notice? What didn't we notice? That it was a wire? You didn't believe me? Oh, what? It's a wire? Dang, scandalous, Mike. Oh, don't make a video talking about you figured this out. I figured it out. Mike, Oakland, California. This car. All right, I'm about to put black there. All right, because they sell this piece right here. Yeah, it's just a wire. I know you're saying, is that a wire? Yes, it's a wire. All right, I'm about to put a black piece there, I think. But you could put any color wire you want. I should be charging for this game. I should be. You can hit the like button this time. You can tell them you got that from Mike. Oh, what else are you doing? Okay. Oh wow, you can even put it in there. I'm a genius. Win. It keeps getting better. Let's try to get a good stretch of wire here. See if we can tuck that in there. That one almost tucked in. That would be nice. Oh, okay. That one just tucking in there. Now we're in the game. Wow, there it goes. Now we just got to get this part to stay in here. It shouldn't be too hard. I don't know how long it would stay in. There's nothing holding it in except for I just pressed it in. It's having a harder time around the corners there. Right here it's doing pretty good though. I'm not gonna lie, that's pretty much in there. I didn't put anything to keep it in there. I don't know if it would stay in there or not. It might. You could use some type of glue to keep it in. we'll see. I guess I'll just see how it holds up. All right, here it is. I fixed my steering wheel thing, and it's a wire. It was about 12 inches long, and I think probably a 14 gauge maybe. I don't have this information because it was a used wire. You might just have to try on your own. It actually pressed in there pretty good. I didn't use anything to stick it in there to keep it in. So I'm gonna see how that lasts, and I have it in the corners. I push it in there and then push it in the other one, and then I press it in. It pressed in pretty well around here, but up here it was a little less. But I had this stuff, I was gonna put some of this in there, and I didn't even have to yet. So, and that's this. You could also use whatever ways you can think of, you know. There's a cat. Cat's checking out the Caprice. This fool better not miss. Cat, what you doing? He likes to scratch stuff. All right, so yeah, here it is. Looks pretty good to me, if you ask me. That's just a wire. So yeah, it's about 12 inches, and I just pressed it in there. So I might have to put something to stick it in there. I might have to put something to make it permanent, like if it comes out, but I'm just gonna check it. I'm just gonna see what happens. I should have cleaned it before I put it in, but oh well. What do you get for free? So yeah, you could take it the extra mile if you wanted to, you know. You could use a brand new wire or whatever. You can put any color you want. You can pick a better piece of wire than I did, but it fit in there. I was tired of looking, so you know, that's just for the YouTube. Next time you see it, it might be a silver wire, it might be a brand new black wire. All right, it looks way better though, huh? And put this back together now. I didn't even put it, I didn't have to put anything to keep it in, just the right gauge wire. So there it is. You know where you got it from. All right, we'll be back with the next one. Peace.